Look at her reaction to the goodnight kiss. No change in respiration, pupils undilated, no flushing.
Dilate. Dilate.
Change in respiration, pupils undilated, no flushing.
By the way. Interesting. Her jaws are clenched. No tongue access. Clearly a...
Clinch. Clinch.
Clenched. No tongue access. Clearly a... That's not a bad sign, please. You might as well have been two iguana with no dewlap.
Iguana. Iguana.
You might as well have been two iguana with no dewlap and...
I'm taking things slow. Which, by the way, compared to you guys, approaches warp speed.
Warp. Warp.
Warp speed.
Has Leonard ever dated, a regular girl?
Well, I assume you're not referring to digestive regularity.
Regularity. Regularity.
Digestive regularity.
I get it. Leonard has no business being involved with a waitress/actress who felt so insecure.
Insecure. Insecure.
Involved with the waitress/actress who felt so insecure.
One has to be concerned not only about what one says, but about facial expressions, autonomic reflexes.
Reflex. Reflex.
Autonomic reflexes. It's a joke. It relies on the homonymic relationship.
Homonym. Homonym.
It relies on the homonymic relationship. It relies on the homonymic relationship between tick, the blood-sucking arachnid, and tick, the involuntary muscular contraction.
Tick. Tick.
And tick, the involuntary muscular contraction.
What does that mean?
Nothing. You seem to be implying an informational backchannel.
Informational. Informational.
You seem to be implying an informational backchannel. Since the day my mother stopped breastfeeding me. It was a drizzly Tuesday.
Okay.
Drizzly. Drizzly.
It was a drizzly Tuesday.
Okay.
It doesn't have to be a reason.
Yeah, there kinda does.
Kinda. Kinda.
Yeah, there kinda does.
Either the reason is predicated on a series of sub-reasons leading to an infinite regression, or it tracks back to arbitrary axiomatic statement.
Axiomatic. Axiomatic.
Or it tracks back to arbitrary axiomatic statement.
We just got back from that exhibit of those plasticized human cadavers. And
Cadaver. Cadaver.
plasticized human cadavers. And take a band-aid off in front of him?
No?
Did you buy generic ketchup?
Ketchup. Ketchup.
Did you buy generic ketchup? Talk to him through the bathroom door?
Adjust the thermostat, cook with cilantro.
Thermostat. Thermostat.
Adjust the thermostat, cook with cilantro.
Excuse me, but isn't hosting guests an aspect of Manushya Yajna, one of the 5 central religious duties or sacrifices of the Hindu householder?
Householder. Householder.
Duties or sacrifices of the Hindu householder?
Used to be a watch factory.
Uh-oh.
What?
Don't you worry about the residual radium from...
Radium. Radium.
Don't you worry about the residual radium from... Poster of Halle Berry's a little unnerving.
Unnerve. Unnerve.
poster of Halle Berry's a little unnerving.
She did make a fine mutant in the X-Men movies, though.
mutant, mutant,
She did make a fine mutant in the X-Men movies, though.
For her, that's ridiculous.
I know. Most of your work is extremely derivative. Don't worry.
derivative, derivative,
Most of your work is extremely derivative. Don't worry.